Welcome to our picturesque Lombok Island. Our coconut processing center, led by the Ministry of Industry and the North Lombok Regency and Industrial Service, transform the finest coconuts into virgin coconut oil. Our production begins with carefully selecting and sorting the best coconut. Next, we use our solar-powered coconut HACCP machine to efficiently remove the coconut shells. We then peel away the outer layers. Afterward, we wash the coconut flesh thoroughly with flowing water. Following the washing, we grate the coconut flesh to facilitate the pressing process. Moving on, we extract coconut milk using a press machine without adding any additional water. We then cool the coconut milk to aid in the separation of oil and water. We break the frozen coconut milk using a high-speed mixer. Next, we gently heat the mixture using a double boiler method, preserving the essential vitamins in our virgin coconut oil. At this stage, we utilize a centrifugal method to separate virgin coconut oil, and the residual. We then filter our virgin oil and coconut oil. Next, evaporation process to reduce the water contents in the final product. We package our product in various sizes according to your preferences. We collaborate with over 200 families to bring you this quality good. Join us in contributing to the prosperity of our community by purchasing our product. Thank you for your support.